There are a lot of girls on YouTube who really know how to do hair well. Then why should you be watching me? I don't know how to do hair well. My blow drying techniques are up the pole. I don't have great hair. Even if I dream about humidity, my hair starts frizzing. That's how bad it is. Most of the time, my goal is to make sure I don't walk out with frizzy hair. But like most of my videos, I have figured out how to mask my weaknesses and present them as my strengths. And surprisingly, most of you have been complimenting me about my hair in all my videos and asking me how I style it. So I will share it with you, but I will also address a few issues as we go along in this video about the problems that women face when it comes to styling their hair and my tips and tricks to combat them so that you can make your hair compliment worthy. Take a look at my hair here before a wash. Firstly, take a look at my hair here. I know it doesn't look great, but for me, what I'm sharing with you is a very positive change. So usually when I wash and style my hair, it lasts me till next morning. And then the unwanted, unexpected frizz, curls, waves are back. What you're seeing right here is my unwashed hair for the last 4.5 days. Of course, the scalp did get oily, but the hair is still straight, pretty straight, right? And this is all because of a styling product that I've started using. So let's see how you too can make your hair more manageable and get rid of that frizz with this miraculous product that I recently discovered on Amazon. Trust me, it's purely based on Amazon reviews. This is called Wow Dream Coat. A lot of people have been raving about this. I will let the results do all the talking, so let's begin. I just washed my hair with Kerastase shampoo and Pantene conditioner. This is how my hair looks, but trust me, if I walk out without any products, it frizzes, making me look 6 inches taller. Not in a good way. I've made my hair a little wet and now I'm going to use the product in my hair. Now it says you should spray it in sections, but when it comes to hair, I'm not very patient. And this is how I did it last time and it worked for me, so I'm just going to share it with you. I'm going to brush it to make sure that it spreads evenly. So now I'm just going to clip my hair in the center. Don't hold this against me. I've had PIXIE for the longest time. I'm just growing out my hair and I don't have too many hair gadgets. So I'm just going to use my reflector clamp to hold my hair in place. And I'll use this big brush to blow dry my hair to get some volume into it. Because I've been disappointed so often, I had zero expectation from this product. I used it the first time last week and I got so many compliments about my hair that I had to make this video. But here's a disclaimer before we begin. I do not even know the right way to use a blow dryer. My blow dryer nozzle is also missing, which I think is very important if you're targeting one section and just want to blow dry one area. I will post my next 3 or 4 days results on Instagram stories so you can see what my hair looks like every day. It's only for you guys that I'm not going to wash my hair for the next 4 or 5 days. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm drying my hair in small sections. And because my hair is pretty porous, I don't need to blow dry it over and over again. But if you have like really thick hair, it might take you a little while to dry it. But also I think because of this product, the hair is looking really silky, soft in the first go. It's not looking dry. Now most of my hair at the back is done, but I'm going to style this hair, the front portion, in two different ways to get two different looks. The way my hair falls looks completely different. So if I do it right here in front, so I blow dried it downwards, right? You see how it falls now? Versus when I hold it in this brush, but blow dried upwards. Now this is just basic blow drying, just getting rid of your frizz. I am not recommending you go out like this because this doesn't do anything to your look, right? Maximum you can just throw a hairband and it can give you that sporty little look. But this is how I like to style it. Now take this hair, flick it on the other side. And you see I got all of this volume without any mousse or volume lifting sprays, none of that. Also notice I have pretty scanty hairline here, which a lot of you noticed in some of my initial videos, but of late none of you did. But that's because I learned how to style it differently. You'll never see me parting my hair right here. Just flicking that hair around. Makes it look so much better, right? Now let's show you next look. Instead of blow drying my hair forward, I'm going to blow dry it backwards now. So all I did is just a little bit of finger combing, tuck my hair behind my ears. At this point you can use either a texturizer like I like this one from Fat Boy, or a mousse to make sure that it stays in place, or even a hairspray. But I like to keep my products absolutely minimum. So this is what I have, and maybe I will also texturize it if I'm stepping out. Let's continue to the next one. So now if you want to bring this look from Jacqueline Kennedy to Gigi Hadid, what you are going to do is just straighten out the ends of it. You can either do it with your blow dryer and a brush, or you can even use a hair straightener, your hair iron, to straighten it up. So when I wanted my hair to curl inwards and give me that volume around my face, I used a big brush like this one and blow dried it. So it gave me that nice round volume inwards. But now as I go down, when I'm blow drying, I'm going to keep the brush straight instead of keeping it curled inwards, so that it gives that little more straight effect. So you see how it already looks much straighter from the curl that I have on this side. Now my hairstylist Lira Guzzi in Chicago is amazing at creating straight hair look with blow dryer. I cannot do that. If I want that more straighter look, I prefer to use a hair straightener. But this was just to show you that with the Wow Dream Coat, it's so much easier to achieve the looks that you have in mind. This is what I was talking about. You see how different both the looks are? Let's move fast and see how I complete this look. Only my hairstylist Lira Guzzi in Chicago is capable of creating that poker straight hair for me just with a blow dryer. I don't know how she does it, but for those of you who are looking for a good stylist in Chicago, look up Lira Guzzi. She's just started her old salon and she is mind-blowing. And also having this double-sided straightening brush is super helpful if you're trying to get that poker straight look. So I hold my hair straight in it, press it down. This just completely changes your hair straightening game because you don't have to go over and over again to straighten just in one stroke, because this is partially pulling your hair down and keeping it straight. Your hair iron has to work that much lesser. Few years ago when I had long hair, I used to fall short of ideas on how to style my hair, and that is when I decided to get a pixie cut, which is so much easier to style in so many different ways. But now that I'm slowly getting the hang of styling my bob, I'm enjoying having long hair, if you could call this long hair. I don't have very thick hair, so I have to back comb it a little bit just to create a little volume right there. That's it. I don't know why in my mind I'm singing, I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. Now this is a more straightforward, sassy look. Very youthful vibe. Now sometimes I keep side parting, or sometimes take the center parting. Tuck the sides behind my ears. Take this same brush and back comb just the lower ends at the back. I love this look when I'm wearing statement earrings with a very basic outfit. I'm now going to use the sea salt pomade texturizer from Fat Boy. Just warm it up between your fingers and finger comb it. So this will give you that very PC look that you see on red carpet, a lot of girls wearing it. It gives you that nice PC blah. Let me just comb it out a little bit, making sure that it blends in. I'm going to get some on the ends. So if you notice, I haven't used any gel because I don't want that gel back look. I want to keep the volume. I'm already feeling like Kristen Stewart, Cameron Diaz. I mean, these are the girls who really carry off this look really well. Even Gigi Hadid off late. And I'm done. Now, if you want this to stay in place, I recommend using some kind of hairspray. Wherever it goes, it gives that very bad girl, chic girl kind of a look. I love it. So see, I can just play around with my hair and let it go wherever it does. On long hair also, this looks really nice. You've seen actresses like Jennifer Aniston. She does that all the time. This is my bad girl look. Now, if you notice, I haven't used any hairpins or rubber bands or nothing to tie my hair. So I'm going to use just a couple of hairpins to change it up a little bit. Make sure the pins are hidden. Get your hair over it. And if you want, you can even back comb your hair a little bit to get a little more volume right in the middle. Now this is such a simple and elegant look if you're going out in the evenings with simple black dress or any cocktail outfit. This looks really nice. And because it is so minimalistic, it gives you a chance to accessorize this look and take it to any level you want to. So in the next couple of days when your hair starts to get a little bit greasy, keep this back combing part as it is. Take this up. Get a little bun going. Take this part, pull a few hair out on the sides. Now this time back comb this part. This look looks really nice from behind as well. Very, very trendy. And the texturizer really creates that nice look and lift at the back. If you want, you can lift this little bun a little higher so that it pushes your front part. Just make sure to back comb your hair up here because it creates a nice shape. Let it look messy. That's when it looks a little more edgy. I particularly like this look in fall and winter when your necks are covered with heavy collared sweaters and jackets. This look really stands out. Also, if you're going to be working out in the gym and the only thing you can do is just pull it back in a bun, this is much better, girl. In the description below, I will link my Amazon store where I line up my highly recommended and favorite products from Amazon. So this is pretty much how I have learned to style my hair on my own, what works for me, for my face, for my strengths, for the quality of my hair. I'm sharing it all with you. Every time my stylist does it, my hairstyles look like they're on a completely different level. And that is next on my list. I want to learn how to style my hair really well. Using the right products and gadgets can completely change your hairstyling game. After all, there's a reason why your hair is called your crowning glory. Now, I like to take good care of my hair at home with hair packs, oil, steam, head massage, and whatnot. If you want to be on that appointment with my stylist and learn how to style your hair well, then watch me every week like you always do. Share this video with your friend and ask them to subscribe too. Click on the button that is red, not yellow, green or blue. If you want more of me, then head to Instagram. Now will you? Time to go now. Next week, it's all about lips. Now that's my clue. Blush with me. Now won't you?